Your students have been busy learning and completing assignments this week. You've been busy teaching and grading assignments. Now it's time to enter the assignment scores in PowerTeacher Pro so that students and parents can check the scores in the PowerSchool student and parent portals. The current stack of papers that you're going through are assignments from your second period class. So start with entering those scores. Since you need to record scores for multiple assignments, rather than finding individual assignments and switching between them, use the Scoresheet to grade multiple assignments on the same page. First, click PowerTeacher Pro under your second period class on the PowerTeacher Start page. Next, click Grading and select Scoresheet. The Scoresheet is organized with the students in the class listed in the first column, along with their course grades listed in the second column. In the rest of the columns, the class assignments are listed from left to right in order of their due dates. To change the order to display the assignments that were due most recently first, click the gear icon, and then select Show Assignments from Most Recent. In the most compact view of PowerTeacher Pro, you see more of your students without having to scroll down, and some of the flags, or score indicators, appear in the score column as small colored squares. To increase the size of the display text so that you can see the actual score indicator icons, click your avatar in the upper right corner. Then, under View, select Medium. You've graded the Lesson 1 review assignment, so enter those scores first. To enter the first student score, click in the first score cell in the Lesson 1 review column. The score inspector opens to the right of the score cells. Refer to the summary information above the score cells to see which score type you selected when you created the assignment. The score type for this assignment is points, and the maximum number of points possible is 15. The first student earned 13 points on the assignment, so type that number in the score cell, or select 1 and 3 from the score inspector. Notice that when you enter a score, a gray icon appears in the student's grade column, because you are editing the student's grade. Once you click Save, the student's grade will be recalculated using the new score. Press the down arrow on your keyboard, or select Enter in the score inspector to move to the next student's score cell. This student did not turn in the assignment, so choose the missing score indicator. Notice that his grade is not grayed out because you haven't edited the grade by entering the missing indicator. To move to the next student, select Enter again. Finish entering the assignment scores for the rest of the students. You just collected the Lesson 2 review assignment from your students. You haven't graded them yet, but you want to mark them as collected. One student was absent, so click in his Lesson 2 review score cell. Then select the absent score indicator in the score inspector. Click in another student's Lesson 2 review score cell. Then select the collected score indicator. Fill the rest of the student's score cells with the collected indicator by clicking the vertical fill icon. To confirm that you want to fill the scores, click OK. To save the scores and score indicators, click Save. The notification at the top of the gradebook window indicates that the data was saved, and you can see that the students' recalculated grades now appear in the grade column. Remember, to score assignments from the score sheet, first select the class. Then click Grading and select Scoresheet. Locate the assignment you want to score and click in one of the score cells. Enter the assignment scores or score indicators for each student. Then click Save. That didn't take long at all. Now you can get back to teaching and your students can get back to learning.